Hello children, today we'll discuss chapter 3, the Indus Valley Civilizations exercise. A. Filling the blanks. First one, Indus Valley Civilization flourished from dash to dash. Yes, it's 3300 BCE to 1800 BCE. Second one, dash and dash were the two main cities of the Indus Valley Civilization, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Third one, dash was built on a raised platform of mud and bricks. Its citadel. Fourth one, dash was the primary occupation of the Harappans. Its agriculture. Fifth one, the Indus people traded with dash, dash and dash, Mesopotamia, Persia and Afghanistan. Next we'll do match the following. First one is Egyptian civilization. It is matching with Nile River. And second one, Mesopotamian civilization, is matching with Tigris and Euphrates River. Harappan civilization is matching with Indus River. Fourth one, Chinese civilization, is matching with Huanghe River. C. Write true or false for the following. First one, the great granary at Harappa was a place for ritual bathing. It is a false statement. Second one, the dock at Lothal was used for trading. It is a true statement. Third one, the common people lived in the citadel. It is false statement. Fourth one, the figure of the dancing girl was made up of copper. It is true statement. Fifth one, flooding possibly caused the disappearance of the Indus Valley civilization. It is true statement. Next, we will discuss answer the following of 20 to 30 words. First question, name the four civilizations. Answer is the four ancient civilizations are as follows. First one, the Egyptian civilization. Second one, the Mesopotamian civilization. Third one, the Indus civilization. And fourth one, the Chinese civilization. Second one, mention any 5 sites from the remains of Harappan civilization have been excavated. The Harappan sites are Shotagai in Afghanistan, Ropar in Punjab, Banawali and Rakhighari in Haryana and Kalibangan in Rajasthan. Third question, describe the social classes of the Harappans. Answer is the Harappan society was divided into 4 classes: the learned people, the warriors, the traders, the farmers and laborers. Fourth question, which were the 2 main parts of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro cities? The major 2 parts of Harappan and Mohenjo-daro were citadel and the lower city. Fifth one, describe the sanitation arrangement of Harappan houses. Answer is the Harappan houses had separate rooms with sloping floors for bathing and washing. Waste water from these rooms were directed to covered drains which lined the major streets. The drains, made of brick slabs, had manhole. E. Answer the following questions in 50 to 60 words. First question is, why did the early civilization flourish in river valley? Answer is the early civilization flourished near river valley because they grew crops near river banks where it was conducive for agriculture. River banks were fertile due to recurrent flood. Next question, write a short note on the highly developed town planning of the Harappans. Answer is the cities were well planned, laid out in a grid-like formation. They had broad roads and streets. The road ran parallel to each other and cut at right angles. They were rounded at corners for easy turning of carts. Different type of houses lined both sides of the streets. Next question, how do we know that Harappans enjoyed dance and music? Answer is a harp-like instrument depicted on an Indus seal and two shell objects found at Lothal indicate the use of stringed musical instruments. Next question, write a note on the religion of the Harappans. And the answer is the Harappans worshipped a mother goddess as a symbol of fertility, a male god seated in a yogic posture surrounded by animal, Lord Pushpati, the lord of cattle, even they worshipped him, and they worshipped forces of nature, the peepal tree, and animals like the humped bull. Next question, what were the important causes of the decline of Harappan civilization? Answer is the important causes of the decline of Harappan civilization were climatic change and overpopulation or decline in agriculture which might cause economic problem. Second one, frequent floods, change of course of the Indus Valley, epidemics and invasion of an enemy could have destroyed the Harappan city. That's all for today's class. I hope you like the class and we'll meet in next class. Thank you, children.